Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Sid. I'm heading for a fun kayaking adventure this morning. I've loaded up the kayak, the kids are in the back, I'm dropping them at school, and then I'm heading. The wind has picked up a little bit. We've got a bit of an east wind here, so I'll drive around a bit and adventure a bit to find a nice spot where I can catch some food, some dinner for tonight. So enjoy the adventure with me. I've been scouting around this morning to try and go kayak fishing, but the wind has picked up quite early, so the weather's not great. But I'm really keen for some fresh fish, so I'm going to head out anyway. So enjoy the journey with me. Okay, so I'm just behind the reef. The wind is howling. There are some waves, so it wasn't that easy to get over the reef. But I've made it here. I'm looking for a spot. So I'm paddling upwind so that the wind can blow me back down. I'm going to be doing some drop shotting, and I hope I catch something. It's been a lot of hard work just to get out here. I haven't even started fishing yet. I'm not going to go too far out. I'm going to stick just behind the reef and try this section. The wind will blow me down, and so we'll see if I can catch some supper. Enjoy this time with me. Thanks for watching. Set the Navionics on so that I can see where I've started and where I'm going with all this. Navionics is a really cool app that I often use when I'm out fishing. So let's get this going. Rod out using this beautiful little drop shot. We are in 4.9 meters, and let's see if we can get some fish. There we go. One of the things you want to check is your drag, which is good. And obviously there's only like 4.5 meters here, so I don't want to go too far deep, otherwise I will get stuck in the rock. Oh, the drift is super fast. Keep an eye. A little bit further out.